If you find yourself feeling really uncomfortable, especially in your lower back when you're sitting down, well, there's a good chance that you're making a humongous sitting mistake that's actually fueling the flaw, causing your lower back to hurt even more. So, before you do anything, check your posture. How are you sitting right now? Are you sitting like this? This is how so many people sit when they relax at night. And it's because we become unconscious of our posture when we just focus on the TV, when we focus on social media, we focus on our iPad, when we're just sitting around trying to relax. Now, I'm not telling you don't sit around and relax. What I'm telling you is don't sit around and relax with horrible posture. So if you look at my position right here, what's happening? My pelvis is tilted down like this, my lower back is rounded, my upper back is rounded. If I turn this into a standing position, this is what it looks like, everybody, all right? This is what it looks like if I'm standing in that same seated position. Does this look like good posture? Does this look like it's gonna make my back feel good? No, it looks like it's gonna make it feel horrible. So instead of sitting like this, what we wanna do is correct the way that we're sitting, practice sitting properly. And when we do, we'll reset our posture, we'll lengthen our lower back, we'll protect the discs and all the nerves in our lower back that are causing nerve pain, SI joint pain, etc., okay? So what you're gonna do is this, slowly come up, don't just jerk yourself up, I don't want anybody getting hurt. Come to the edge of the seat like this with the backs of your calves. Nice tall posture, and the goal here is to sit on the tops of your hamstrings. So one of the things I like to do is this, grab a butt cheek, pull it up, get to the sit bones, all the way past the sit bones, all the way up like this. Now from here, we want to come to a nice upright position. Now some people will do this. They'll get up all the way on the sit bones and then they'll come up like this and they'll have this arched posture, right? So overarching the lower back is just as bad as rounding the lower back. So instead of being overarched, what we want to do is this, tall posture, and this is the cue I like to use, ribs down. If you can't drop your ribs, try this. Cough and hold the cough. Now, once we find that posture, this is where we want to sit. This is how we want to rest. This is how we want to relax. And if we do this, what you'll start to find is this. It actually feels really incredibly comfortable. All of our bones are stacked right on top of each other. We have good posture, and you don't actually even need a backrest when you're sitting up with good form. Now, the more you practice this, the better it will feel, and the more natural it will feel, and the more often you'll just sit down and assume this posture instead of having to be conscious of it. But the best thing you can do right now is something simple. Set a reminder on your phone, especially when you're going through the times of the day that you know you're gonna be sitting a lot. Set that reminder to go off every hour and say, sit up straight. And every time that thing says sit up straight, it goes boop on your phone. Just come up on the sit bones, correct your posture, drop the ribs, and get back to doing whatever you're doing with good sitting posture. So, if you have lower back pain and you find yourself sitting like this, stop slouching, sit upright, get up on those sit bones, nice tall posture, and watch as your lower back and your whole body starts to feel amazing again.